White Boy. Last night someone called me out on the street, so it's appropriate day to quote. It's a friend of mine. Because you need this song to have emotional point. It's a friend of mine, my neighbor.
How many guns?
Packs a gun.
But you got 3 guns.
I don't, you know. One, two, three, 1, 2. We gotta live on a little less, spread the wealth around, be less a success. White boy, we gotta give it up. Why don't we stay at home and care for our own? You say, how could I live on a nickel? Cause when we have to travel halfway around the world to spend blood, something's not enough. White boy, we gotta live on a little less. Why don't we stay at home? Be less a success. So live on. If we gave up our privilege for a moment, if we let somebody else run the show, we'd be doing the only thing that shows a little bit of grace. Stepping down, step down, step down, step down. White boy, we gotta live on a little less. Why don't we simplify and simply let it live? White boy, we gotta give it up. Why don't we stay at home and care for our own? While we struggle to secure our fortunes and protect our futures in this uncertain time, we're cutting off the hands of our forsaken neighbors, and it sucks. Just plain bad. Don't get mad. Cause when you have to travel halfway around the world to spill blood, something's not adding up. White boy, we gotta live on a little less, spread the wealth around, be less a success. White boy, we gotta give it up. Why don't we stay at home and care for our own? Why don't we stay at home and care for our own? That's what we're looking for. That's what we're looking for. Seriously. Not to speak to my partner, but as I said before, be less of a success. We're working with that. What's this one?
This is another long song. Called 6'3". I'll dedicate it to Patrick Ewing. 7 for Patrick Ewing and the New York Knicks. But I was really hoping that they would get to play Boston. They didn't because both of them lost. this is a height song. Actually, I think Michael pointed out that I write a lot of height songs, like giant and 6'3". There's another one. Yeah. No, this was an automatic song. She sings from the beat at the top of her key. She speaks the sweet word and laughter. He's the whole guy, sings miraculous. Somehow she's miraculous. We met in an armchair in the middle of a dream he had about $1 million on these typing proofs. Get down with what I could. Since she turned her thoughts into his house, she sits with me at the top of her key. She speaks the sweet word and it's the whole guy, she's miraculous. Somehow she's miraculous. Though she doesn't exist, she certainly was kissed by a woman made of his images. She sits with me at the top of the key. She speaks the sweet word of happiness. He's the whole glass, he's miraculous. Somehow she's miraculous. Somehow she's miraculous. Somehow she's
My name is Gideon D'Arcangelo, and as Dan said, we play in a group in New York City called the Blissful Fistful. And, well, if you come down there,
we had a bunch of tapes, and Gideon left them in Paul's house.
the tapes are available on mail order. We're going to leave the address.
You can contact us if you really want to get one.
It's like on the road business. We are going to leave our address up there, so please write us. And we can leave your address, but we'll write to you. And we're going to finish out tonight in a really inspiring place. And I hope that we likewise a little bit. After us, we leave Carlos Taki and then Glenn Kendrick and the Mood. So stick around. And this last song is by someone who I respect a great deal.